Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia G10, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer to show you how it looks. And when you take a look, for example here, you can spot that on the display you get some kind of the protection. It's very thin foil. As you can see, it comes from the edge to the edge, but it doesn't cover edges right here because we got a little bit curves on the screen. So yeah, in this smartphone you can find foil that is factory installed. You can also get better protection by installing tempered glass. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.